Krishgen's online ELISA calculator is an easy tool and can be used up to 15 times per day per user. This video will provide a quick step-by-step guide on how to run it. First, clear any existing data by clicking on the Clear Signal Input Data button. In the Paste ELISA Results Here section, add in absorbance data from your experiment. Next, add in detailed ELISA plate layout information and sample IDs. Under the Curve Fit Details section, add calibrator or standard run data. Finally, check fit settings. Most Krishgen ELISA call for 4PL. Add run name and then click on Submit. Your detailed results will appear on the next page. For any support, contact us via our website or email us at info@krishgen.com. You can also use this ELISA calculator as an Excel add-on. More details are available on the Krishgen website.